Howdy, neighbors. Let's discuss a Chinese diesel heater. Well, any diesel heater, I think, for that matter. Number one, you can hear it running. I have it on a lower setting. And you definitely hear the click, click, click. I'll be taking care of that. It's all screwed to metal here, which echoes, so I'll be putting a board. This will probably end up some other place later. But I want to point something out to all of you. Watch this. Okay. The air from inside the bus comes in here, blows across the heat exchanger. This is hot right here. I mean, it's warm. It gets hot when I crank it up, but then it blows through and out of here. So the air from inside the bus is the only thing getting heated up, and it blows it here, and this is nice and warm. Matter of fact, where's my doohickey? How come I can never find stuff when I need it? Come out, wherever I hid you. Oh, there you are. Right on the counter where I left it. Alright. Let's see, what's that one? It's showing 73 degree at the end right there. 74, 75. And this end, see that? 186, 181, 192. Heat. Okay. So, that's part one of this explanation. Ooh, smooth and shiny. Let's go look at the outside. Loading stuff in my compartments. Okay. Now, for this thing to burn diesel, it has to have air and it has to have exhaust. Right now, I have my exhaust aimed right there, which is shooting down. It's screwed onto the right there, which vibrates a little. And then I have my air intake right there. So what happens is, the air intake sucks air in from out here, burns it, and throws it back out over there. None of that system has anything to do with the inside air moving around. There's no way that those fumes coming out of the exhaust, if they get sucked into the intake, all they're going to do is make it burn crappier, because none of that contacts the inside of the unit, whether it be a van or my bus. So those of you that are telling me that I'm going to kill myself because I'm sucking air in are not quite grasping the reality of what's going on. The only part of the air that is in here being heated is already in here being heated. Okay? So, all of you that were worried about me, please stop worrying. And just know that if I wish that I'd had one of these in my house. Actually, a couple of them. But, okay. Enough of the class for today. I'll go back to waiting for my cup of coffee to get done. I've already spent about an hour farting around doing stuff. Making those batteries anchored. Dealing with insurance. Yep. So, oh yeah, the weather. It was foggy here and it's cold. I don't know what the outside temp is. We're supposed to have big rain again today. 61 outside, 72 in here. All right. I hope that helps some of you that have wondered about these diesel heaters and how they work. There's Bruce's bus. Anyway, I already swept the floors. I haven't dusted again yet. I got too much work to do. Hope y'all have a good day. Later.